Bro, what's up with y'all? Yo, I'm at this meet. It's crazy, yo. Yo, big heads. Big heads. It's unreal. Yo, we got people lined up all the way down there. It's crazy, you know what I'm saying? Yo, we about to turn up. You know what I'm saying? It's about to get lit. It's about to get turned. You feel me? Yo, make sure y'all stay tuned, yo. Yo, make sure y'all stay tuned, because this is lit. This is crazy, you know, feel me? Yo, we lined up, yo. 412 Neckbreakers lined up all right here, yo. You know what I'm saying? Got the boys here, you know what I'm saying? Yo, they swole low-key, you feel me? You know what I'm saying? Got my stuff, got Dion's, got everybody, yo, we lit, you feel me? All the way down there. And we got people all the way over there. We still got like mad heads I'm pulling up. Bro got the supercharger, you know what I'm saying? He got the little eyes off of cars, you feel me? You know what I'm saying? Something sight. Then we got Trey with the Car King Rooney. This is hard, definitely crazy. Y'all, we threw a meet here back in like February, whatever. You know what I'm saying? And we got that boy Degenerated, no, Grateful Generated, I think so. You know what I'm saying, with the Scat. Yo, my bro. You know what I'm saying, with the Scat. Yeah. Alright. Thing is crazy. He got the stripe down the middle. You know what I'm saying? This thing definitely dope though. You know, feel me? Definitely crazy. Definitely. You know what I'm saying? Then we got bro Mo traded him his AMG for this one. This thing is dope. Brand new joint. This is, you know what I'm saying? Yo, this is a 2025, I believe. This thing is crazy, yo. This thing's definitely dope. This thing's definitely dope. My boy Mo.
Best swinger out here. Hey, let me get that. Let me get that.
Hey, bro, it's right here. It's right here.
Best swinger out here.
Best swinger out here? Hell nah, y'all. Then we got my bro, Boss. Y'all already know Boss. Y'all already see Boss all the time. You know what I'm saying? Ugly as hell. You know what I'm saying? You know what I mean? We got heads all the way down there, up there, on the top, everywhere, you know what I'm saying? So lit. So you gotta stay tuned, yo. You know what I'm saying? So look, yo, we about to go to the next spot, you know what I'm saying? So y'all, make sure y'all stay tuned. Got my bro Dizzle right here. Ugly as shit, you feel me, you know what I'm saying? No cut. I don't got no cut neither, y'all. But we about to go to the next spot. Yo, got Trey right there, you know what I'm saying? Trey with the RTA road running. Check out him, you feel me? Look, y'all, boys is pulling up, yo. Man, they pulled up to the second spot. We was about to, you know what I'm saying, turn up. They're fucking, I mean, Cardi Coopers, you know what I'm saying? Look at them, y'all. Just bored. Bored, you know what I mean? So, hey, I guess we about to go to the third spot, whatever. So, y'all, make sure y'all stay tuned, whatever, you know what I'm saying? Make sure y'all stay tuned for sure. So look, y'all, I'm kind of swole low key, because we couldn't really turn up for real. Cops showed up, all this extra stuff. Like, soon as we got there, y'all, it was all these cars. So, but what I'm gonna do is, yo, we about to go back. I'm about to meet bro with the Hellcat. He said he's gonna let me push it. So, yo, just make sure y'all stay tuned, y'all. You feel me? Yeah, bro, let me hear the whine, yo. Let me hear the whine. Oh, this is scary, yo. Sheesh. Yo, this thing fast, yo. I'm saying, bro, got the 700, you know what I'm saying? It's missing.
Ready?
Yeah. Bro, the brake pad you got on there? Oh my gosh. The brake pad you got on there is crazy. Sheesh, bro. Sheesh. The brake pad you got on there is unreal. Yo, this thing get up there fast.
And it's a few seconds compared to yours.
Yeah. I get up there, but this thing get up there faster. You got the thin tires on there?
Yeah.
Those is thin joints. What's those like? It looks like 275, 285s?
I forget now.
Yeah.
Yeah, 285s.
285s?
Yeah.
I know for sure, cause like when I first seen them, I'm like, yo, like, as far as the rims is like super big.
22s.
Those 22s, I got 20s. So yo, that thing was crazy, yo. So bro about to give me the keys to it right now, you feel me? You know what I'm saying? So I'm about to go dumb, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. I'm about to go dumb. You know what I'm saying? We with it in Mexico. You feel me? So y'all, first time I'm driving a Hellcat, whether it's a Charger or a Challenge, you feel me? So this thing definitely dope, though. You know what I'm saying? Bro got the new suspension and all that in there. You know what I'm saying? So y'all make sure y'all stay tuned. Yeah, make sure y'all stay tuned. Alright, y'all. You know what I'm saying? Let's get it. Hey, first time driving a cat, you know what I'm saying? First time. You feel me? Yeah, it's first time driving like a Challenger, yo. This thing will feel different. Mad different. Yo, that whine is crazy. Yo, that whine is different, yo. I ain't gonna lie. Hey, bro, I'm definitely craving that whine. I ain't even gonna hold you. That's one thing, like, I don't know. I be trying, like, I don't know, like, every time, like, I'm in the sky, like, I be, like, trying to picture it in my head. I be like, yo, like, if I just hear it, like, this one time, yeah, that would definitely be crazy. You know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna lie. I'm shot down shit. This thing is crazy, yo. This thing is crazy.
It's like, man, I took a fucking track off, man. I was like, yeah, you should have. You want one now, huh?
Oh, I'm grabbing one for sure. This thing is dope. You got the backup camera?
Yeah.
Alright. I'm gonna let you back up your car. I don't want backup. Let's go. I gotta go, but you got it. I appreciate it. Y'all, this thing is dope, y'all. Definitely crazy. Unreal. Hey, bro, good look. You know what I'm saying? Hey, for the POV. You know what I'm saying? I appreciate it. This thing is definitely dope. Yo, I got a little treat for y'all coming soon later this year or early next year. You know what I'm saying? A little upgrade. So, yo, make sure y'all stay tuned. You feel me?